Today we're going to put on our snow tracks on a four-wheeler. Way we can get out and have some fun. Not a lot of snow yet. And it's already mid-January, so that kind of sucks, but get out and snoop around, see what we can find. So let's put on our snow tracks. Are we done? Yes. Alright, I had to re-thread my bolts down here. You can see it's a hell of a lot higher. Ready for snow. Go out, put some trail cameras out, start watching some elk and deer, shed season. Alright, I got my tracks on, ready to roll. You can see it sits up a heck of a lot higher. So, it's pretty fun. You know, you're in four-wheel drive all the time, so you lose a hell of a lot more gas, so you gotta take plenty of gas with you. Slower, but I'll tell you, I was in 7-8 feet of snow and it didn't sink more than 12 inches, no matter what the snow conditions. So, I mean, it's pretty cool. So, all right, I'll give you some footage when I get her out.